Hi, I am Kizer. In today's video, we will see how we can use Google Drive. First of all, you have to go to Google, then write drive.google.com. It will open a page of Google Drive. If you have logged into your Google account, it will already logged into your account. Otherwise, it will ask you to log into your account in this panel. When you logged into your account, you have this type of interface. There are two default files here, getting started, and here are the some options that we can use. Keep remember, recently Google have updated its term and policies that starting October 13, item will be automatically deleted forever after you have been in your trash for 30 days. Before this, whenever we have deleted anything, it go to trash and it remain ever in a trash. But now Google updated its policies and said that the item you have deleted will go to trash and will remove after 30 days. Let's see how this option and menus work. Here's an option shared with me, means file that shared with you, or you open the files with your account. Like I click there and there are the multiple files that I open with this account. Is also called share with me. In recent, there are the files that you opened since or last time. Here are the option of the stars, means files that you start that you like most. Now again go to the my drive. Now I will tell you how you can add new file and folder into your drive. First of all, you should remember that whenever you log into the Google Drive, Google gives you 15 GB free space that you can use anytime, anywhere. Let's see how we can add new file and folder in Google Drive. Here's an option of a new. Just click there. It's giving you a multiple option. First, folder. If I click on folder, it will give me the empty folder and ask me to write the folder name. I'm writing the name daily teachings and click on create. You can see the folder daily teaching has been created. Now if I want to insert the file in this folder, just double click there. The folder is empty because we didn't input any file there. Again click. Here's an option of a file upload. I click there, file upload, and it gives me the multiple files in my document folder. I just want to add this file to my folder. Just click the file and click open. As we open, it will show this type of notification on your screen, and as it completed, it will show your file here. If you want to upload a folder, just I click on again my drive. I want to upload a folder. I do not want to upload a file one by one and I merge all the files in my folder. Then here is an option of folder upload. Click there. Suppose there I have a multiple folders. You can see like lab number 3. I just click there, or Arduino Naughty, and click on upload. It will upload your folder as it upload your file. Now how you can download your file when you upload on the Google Drive? Just right click there. Here are the multiple options: preview, open with, share, get link. Like as I said, shared with me, these files are shared with a get link. If I get link and share with my friend and my friend open it through link, that it will include in the share with me. Then also option of add a shortcut, move to rename. You can rename your file. And here is an option of download. If you click, the file will download automatically. And how you can delete your file? If you click on the file, and here is an option of remove. If you remove this file will go to the trash, and this file go to the trash and will remain in a trash for the 30 days as per the updated term and policies of the Google Drive. This is all about the Google Drive, how you can use Google Drive. Thank you. If you like my video, then please click on the like button and share your precious views in comment box. And please subscribe to my channel and hit on bell icon. Thank you.